Hi everyone, welcome to codekarlebro. In previous video, we have learned about what is functions, and also we have learned how to create a calculator using arithmetic operators, right? Today we will learn how to use variables in the function and what is local variable, right? So let's get started. This is number variable, and we have assigned this number variable uh, a value with 5. Okay, and we have also created one function display where I am assigning again the same number variable with $1, which will be a argument which will be passed while calling this function. Okay, so we will learn that what is global variable and what is local variable. Okay, so first we will understand what is global variable. So okay, after that, so let's run this first. Okay, so let's save this and let's run it so that we can understand what is printing right now. Okay, so it is printing number is equal to 5, which is here because we are not calling any function. Display function we have not called right now. That's why it is printing my variable is 5. Now let's do what? Let's call this function. Okay, display, and we have to pass one argument here so that $1 can be assigned uh, with number variable. Okay, so we will pass 20. Okay, so we are passing an argument on the display function so that a number variable can be assigned with 20. Okay, so now let's print again. This is we have printed. Now let's run it and see what will print now. Okay, so first it has printed my variable is 5, and second after that it printed 20. So how that was done? So you can see here, previously until unless this display function is not called, the number variable have only one value, which is 5. After that we are calling display function and passing, we are passing the 20 as argument on that display function. So the same number variable is overwritten by this 20. So now when we are printing the number variable, it is saying that now the value is changed to 20. This is called global variable. This is the example of global variable where first we have assigned one value to that variable, but now when after calling display function, the variable value is changed, and that can also be accessed outside that function. And what is local variable? Oh, so in local variable, the value of a variable will be holds inside that function only. It should not, it will not go outside that function. Okay, so that is called a local variable. So we will just see here that how to use local variable in the shell script so that you can use it for your own operation. Okay, so I will not do much change. I will just do here, I will use local. Okay, so now I have changed that number which is inside that display function. uh, I have used local syntax here before number variable. So now number variable will be treated as a local, means whatever value will be assigned to the number variable inside that display function will be only limited to that function scope. It will not be accessed outside that function, that new value. Okay, so let's run this function and see what it prints. Okay, so see, it prints first time it prints here, this my variable is 5. After that we have called display 20. Now display 20 has been called, and variable is assigned, uh, means 20 is assigned to number variable, but here it is local. Okay, so when we are printing again my variable after calling function number, this number is same to this number because this one we cannot access if this value is local. And in our previous example we can see that it was accessible and it was printing 20 because the same variable was a global variable. Now there is a difference. This one is a global variable, but this one is a local variable. Both are different and both can have a different kind of meaning. So I hope you understand what is the difference between global variable and local variable in shell script and how to use that. Okay, let me know if you have any questions in the comment box and are liking my video and getting some knowledge from it. Subscribe to my channel and share it with other person. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.